Hello, this is 𝗦𝗔𝗪𝗏𝗟𝗢𝗏, and we're here in Panglao Grande Resort, here in Panglao Island Bohol, Philippines. So I'll show you our beachfront room here in Panglao Grande Resort. So there's our beachfront room here, and here's the view from our room. Okay, so let's go inside. So this beachfront cottage or room comes with a veranda. By the way, this is a triple room, so it has two beds, one double bed and one single bed. Okay, and the room also comes with an LCD TV, an air conditioned dinette set, and there's also a personal refrigerator. Then there's an electric kettle. By the way, they also provide complimentary 2 bottled waters when you check in here. Then let's check out the toilet and bath. So it's very clean. It's actually spacious for the size of the cottage. So here's the toilet, and there's also a hot and cold shower here, and there's toiletries. Okay, so if you want to work here, there's a small space that serves as a working area, and it also serves as a vanity area. So here's the view from our room. By the way, we got this for only 2,400. So if you want a beachfront room, you can book this via Agoda or Traveloka. Just make sure to select the triple room to ensure that you're booking a beachfront room here in Panglao Grande Resort. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. And I'm also giving you huge discounts on your Panglao Grande room. Just click the link on the description box below to enjoy huge discounts. So again, this is 𝗦𝗪𝗏𝗟𝗪𝗏𝗟𝗏. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell button. Thank you.